Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you're well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to collage maker image in Adobe Express. So let's started. And first open your Adobe Express. Now you can see Adobe Express in the open. Nice color mouse. Now choose from collage maker. Now click. Now click from. Now find your picture. Now select for image. Now click from open option. That it's. Now you can see now create collage maker image. Now click from download and select from PNG and JPG. Now choose from PNG. Now download. Now check the download. That it's. Now you can see create collage maker image in Adobe Express is very easily. I hope you enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.